Has been telling us about this strong storm system since the beginning of the week. Mike, what can we expect going forward?
Well, things settling down today, no doubt about it. But, you know, I was just totally struck by the difference in conditions across the area yesterday. An extremely localized, heavy snowfall event across the area, and definitely a very stark difference even from one end of the city to the other, between the southeast end of Buffalo to the northwest corner of it. As we take a quick peek at the 190 this morning downtown, things looking pretty good down there right now. Just maybe a little bit of a damp pavement as the roadways have been salted overnight, but that's about it. No major problems, at least along the Route 190 stretch downtown. And taking it down to exit 57 on the I-90 here in Hamburg. And, you know, Victoria and Joe, you guys are good. I mean, just a few moments ago, you said that eastbound lane opened up, and you can see it happening here. I mean, at one point in this animation, the authorities were still blocking the roadway, and now we're starting to see the truck traffic and the cars moving along on the eastbound strip down that direction. So definitely, as we start to ease back into some sort of normalcy around here, things looking a lot better on the thruway. As we take a look at some news tracker shots coming in from overnight. This one from Ashley in Lancaster, and the hubby out there, I suppose, shoveling the driveway. And man, there's just a whole lot of snow in some areas across the region this morning. We're talking the immediate southern suburbs, and also out into the eastern suburbs. Dale from West Seneca coming in from this picture, with this picture, also of the scene down in that direction, at least yesterday. And as we take a look at the southern tier, this came in from Rodney in Allegheny, the town of Allegheny. You can see still the extensive flooding taking place along the banks of the Allegheny River down that direction. Hopefully those floodwaters will start to recede more so today, and especially getting into the beginning of the weekend. Take a look at 4-1 Doppler right now, and a broad strip of snow coming down mainly south of the city this morning, so we're catching a break here in the city and the surrounding suburbs. The heaviest of the snow right down here in the extreme northwest corner or northern corner of Chautauqua County, northwest corner of Cattaraugus, and southwest corner of Erie County. This seems to be drifting a little bit more toward the southeast, and if you're down in this area, look for a quick hit of maybe 1 to 3 inches for the morning commute, which is definitely going to slow you down. Lighter snowfall accumulations in areas to the east of that across the remainder of southern Erie, Wyoming, Cattaraugus, and Allegheny County. Not too much going on down here on the I-86. A little bit of snow actually flirting with the north shore, the south shore, I should say, of Lake Ontario up there in northern Orleans County. Lake effect snow advisory in effect. This is a lesser warning in effect today than the one yesterday for southern Erie, Wyoming, Chautauqua, Cattaraugus County until 4 o'clock today for about 2 to 5 inches of accumulation. The flood warning still up for the Allegheny River down here in Cattaraugus. Checking the weather for today in Buffalo, well, some lighter snow flurries or snow showers today. That's about it. Between 8 and 9 o'clock, about 27 degrees, 31 at lunchtime, and 33 to wrap it up at 5 p.m. Super Microcast is showing that the snow today is going to be more sparse in coverage as compared to yesterday, especially getting into the afternoon hours. Some snow showers, a little bit more of them going on down here in the higher terrain, and that's where the greatest accumulations are going to be likely for today. As we get into the overnight, mostly cloudy, a few scattered snow showers region-wide. And pretty much the same goes for Saturday. A few scattered lighter snow showers or snow flurries, otherwise a mostly cloudy day. Now on Sunday, and getting into the beginning of next week, a rather intense storm system will rev up in the province of Quebec up here to the northeast, and that will result in the winds increasing across the area as we get into Sunday and early next week, and blowing snow will become a factor, and there's going to be fairly widespread snow, which could be somewhat heavier due to lake enhancement southwest and northeast of the city. So we're really going to have to watch this forecast again toward the tail end of the weekend on Sunday and early next week. Definitely some very wintry conditions on tap. Definitely some snow still coming down on the 219-400, maybe just a few flurries on the QEW. Thruway West, you're going to be still catching some snow and a few flurries on the I-86. Right now, 27 in Buffalo and 21 down there at Bradford. For today, weaker lake snow, mainly south and north of the city. A few scattered snow showers elsewhere, accumulating 2 to 5 inches in the higher terrain. The high is 29 to 34. For tonight, scattered snow showers more numerous in ski country, 20 to 27. Tomorrow, some lighter snow showers and flurries, highs in the low 30s. And on Sunday, snow likely, cold wind. It could be heavier southwest and northeast of the city. Widespread accumulation and blowing snow, 28 to 33, and that continues right into the beginning of next week, too.